Right guys, video number 1 here on this rather nice piece of kit from a company called Kam. It is a 3D laser. There it is in all its glory. It's known as the Laserscan 1000 3D. It's a full colour 1 watt laser. 1000 milliwatts again is 1 watt. Now this is on the verge of taking lasers to the next level. Alright, there are exceedingly expensive lasers out there, excuse me, but for the price, this is an exceptionally good laser. I mean, that is one hell of a good effect. At the moment, it's just running through an internal program. This guy will, if we have a look at the back, I do apologise if the camera goes a little bit blurry, but it's rather difficult to give a good idea of what this laser looks like in the light. Have a look at the back. We've got your usual sound to light DMX. It's on auto mode at the moment. It'll do master slave. But what's a little bit more important with this style or this group of lasers, it's got ILDA connections. And what this means is you can plug this directly, let's say, into your PC. You may need a bit of hardware before going into the PC, but with relevant software, you can take controlling this to the next level. DMX is fantastic, yes, it will do whatever you want it to do, but when you use certain software, I'm pretty sure you can use the likes of, say, Phoenix 4 with this, you can start to make it dance, not just flashy. Now again, 3D, there it is. We've got beautiful 3D images, and that is how far it will actually shine. Now, bearing in mind, I would say this particular unit here is about 4 meters from the wall. So if you imagine this was in a big auditorium, a big room, it would fill an entire, it could fill a stadium pretty much, I'd say. All right, if you're looking at the likes of a massive football stadium, you know, it's not going to be very bright at the other end if it's going to fill it entirely. But of course, if you've got correct software, you can make the beam smaller or bigger. So for example, if the wall at the other end of the room was quite a distance away, you could set it so that would be a lot closer together, say, from this distance. But of course, the further it goes, the greater the image. And again, this is another one of the cool features here. We're not just looking at a laser that points beams of light. This guy here takes it to the next level. All right, so this is, we can class this as video number 1. I'm going to, hopefully in the next few days, get the Phoenix 4 software, plug it into the PC, and try and make this sucker dance. Right, so there it is. What I'll do, I'll put a link in the description to this little baby, and tell me what you think. Have you got one? What's it like? If you've got one of these, and you've made a video, gig log, something like that, then bung it as a video response. Let's see what it does for you. So there it is. Practice. That's beautiful. Practice and enjoy. Thank you. Alright guys, show you how bright it is. The Laserscan 1000 3D from Kam. Broad daylight, and look at that. Alright, I'm just going to lower this down here on the camera, what I'm doing there, because the laser's so bright, I'm going to have to lower the amount of light that comes into the camera, otherwise the camera just goes blurred. It's nothing to do with the camera, it's just the fact that the laser is exceedingly bright. Alright, I'm using the Phoenix 4 software, which is there, and we have numerous little bits and bobs we can put on here. Now, bearing in mind, like I did say in an earlier video about this particular laser scan, is that you can do master slave, sound to light, DMX, etc., but it's got the ILDA connections at the back, and that will let you use the likes of this kind of software. So I will put information in the description, go and check it out, and I'll leave you with practice and enjoy. Get in the mix.